Welcome to the Hannover Messe 2021, and also do feel welcome to the world's first digital edition of a 5G powered Hannover, an event that will surely blow your mind. Here we are showing Ericsson's latest 5G demo. This testbed has been developed together with the car manufacturer Audi in Germany. One major obstacle in a factory today are cables. Cables prevent flexibility and are also a very costly connectivity mechanism. The aim with this demo is to show that 5G and its unique URLLC capabilities can replace a cable, both in latency and in reliability aspect. In this demo, the cable we have replaced with wireless 5G is the emergency stop function. Normally, this button resides closely to the robot via a cable, and it is a crucial function that, when pushed, instantly stops the robot. The emergency stop function can also be a cable-connected laser curtain that interrupts or disconnects the robot when something enters the laser curtain's path, like this. In this demo, the emergency stop button and the laser curtain both uses wireless 5G instead of cables. This testbed uses millimeter wave 5G, and the latency round trip is about 1.2 milliseconds. We're also expecting the core to be on premises for latency and security reasons. So now the wireless emergency stop function is extremely flexible. You could have a button anywhere in the factory or even attach it to a person walking around in the factory. When these kind of functions are wirelessly connected, it instantly creates flexibility without losing the cable's reliability and security. Another thing we address in this demo is multi-transmission point. It is common in an industry environment that you will have large moving or fixed objects interfering and degrading the link quality. This is where multi-TRP will be crucial. Imagine a truck suddenly covering an antenna, and in 28 gigahertz, that could be a bad thing. So even if one radio path gets blocked, there will be other radio signals from other directions, creating redundancy to ensure a constant and reliable communication. Now I will show you how multi-transmission point is enabled in this demo. We will be pulling down a curtain made out of metallized textile in front of one of the radios to mimic radio blocking scenarios, which will result in packet errors, obviously. But as long as not all transmission points are blocked at the same time, the communication will continue. If multi-TRP joint transmission feature is enabled and one link gets blocked, you will have redundancy from other directions, ensuring that packet errors and latency impact is kept to a minimum. Okay, so what makes the arm move? An industrial robot communicates with its PLC, its brain. Normally the PLC is closely attached with the cable, giving the arm instructions in form of a package, and in this case, every 4th millisecond. If we miss out on 2 packages, it is still acceptable, but if we miss 3, the robot shuts down. Hence, the latency can never go above 12 milliseconds constantly. That is why we always needed a cable. Wireless connectivity had never been able to uphold these terms until now, until 5G. And considering that 5G can replace one cable, let's look beyond today. Let's investigate a little bit around Industry 4.0. Considering that all industrial robots today have their own brains closely attached via cables, and that there are approximately 9 million robots globally, and 3 million of those works in factory, that is a lot of cables and a lot of brains. Let's play with a thought. Let's say that this robot also uses 5G for communicating with its PLC. And let's say that we have 100,000 square meters of factory floor with 1,000 robots. Normally, you would then also have 1,000 cables connected to 1,000 brains. But in our case, using wireless 5G, we would have 1,000 robots, no cables, and one central brain. One place to reprogram any change in production. The robots are completely portable, so you can move them around, or better yet, it can move itself around. Now, that is a flexible production facility. That is Industry 4.0. So in conclusion, 5G is not only the most advanced wireless communication technology there is, it's also made for innovation, for innovating in new areas and replacing old things like cables. And for a factory, that is a game changer. Thank you for listening.